first year, everybody gets the opportunity to try out each of the three disciplines of the course, that is product design, furniture interior and designer maker, and to see which each individual student prefers and specialises in.
We decided to take a gap year in between, and when you start in the first year they initially make you feel quite comfortable and bring you in, everyone doing one project together.
Doing the National Diploma in Worcester was a lot like doing the course here anyway, so it was a real good stepping stone from doing the MD coming to university.
Which is a nice sort of integration and also gives you the kind of key training ready for the second and third years.
You have the chance to learn so much. You've got to take the opportunity by the hand yourself and initiate it yourself throughout all the years you've got, but the skills that you can develop are extensive.
And to do what we want to do, and we choose our own briefs and we do our own style of work and we're not held back in any way.
It's just a nice combination of practical skills and sort of creative thinking as well. I think that's the best thing about it.
I feel like I've had to really push myself on each project and I've gradually got better and better as the years have gone on, so I think it's been a good thing that it is quite, not taxing but challenging, I would like to say.
You've got sort of creative freedom, but then at the same time you can sort of produce functional, usable pieces, and just the way the course is run is kind of a nice approach to sort of educating.
I'd just like to welcome everyone to the 3D design show. I hope you enjoy the work, and we've got some prizes to give to some students. I'm sure you'll agree the work is great.
Some of the most rewarding parts, the fantastic tuition I've had for a start from my product design leader, and I think the most I've got out of it is just being able to explore what I wanted to explore within product design.
The department as a whole is a really good department within the university. There's a kind of real sort of sense of community within the 3D department, and there's a lot of social sort of outings with everyone.
Your work is pushed to that professional level. You're not kind of taught the standard textbook course, you're kind of taught and geared towards the industry, and your work moves up to that professional standard.
The ability to be able to produce real objects that you can live with and you can use after you've finished.
I'm much more confident than I used to be. I like to think I could go out and find an employer and talk to them about my work.
Redevelop something, I think, is the bonus, because you're not taking away the old, but you're also putting new elements to an existing space.
I really would like to go on and do a Masters in the future, so before then experience is going to be obviously the most valuable thing for me to take on to try and go and do that.
The most rewarding thing is the actual outcome of the products, really. To be able to go to new designers and show at the degree show is something that is very rewarding.